Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Jasmine, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So today's video is going to be on how I show you guys how I applied my foundation plus lashes. Those have been the two top requests that everyone's been wanting to see, so today will be the day. So I've already primed my face with my CeraVe, and also I've already put my face primer on, which is my NYX Photo Loving Primer. And now we're going to go ahead and start off with my foundation. Foundation I'm going to be using is the True Match. This is the Lumi and the W6 Sun Beige. Y'all, I'm going to be going makeup shopping today because I need some more foundation because I'm so stuck on this one. But I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my face. I'm going to do 2 drops on each side. Then I'm going to take my Real Techniques blending brush, my foundation brush. I'm just going to blend this in. And you guys, I've already done my brows, and if you want to see my brow video, I will put that link in the description box for you guys. Y'all, please make sure y'all blend on your neck. You don't want to see where your foundation stops. That is the key. But you guys, I love this foundation so much. It's super lightweight, so it doesn't even feel like I have makeup on. And that's what I love. I like to feel like I don't even have anything on my face. Also, Maybelline Fit Me was another foundation that I was stuck on for a while until I tried this one. And these are drugstore foundation. So they're not too expensive at all. I will go get some more foundation so that way you guys can see something different other than the same stuff same products that I'm using. Alright you guys, for my concealer, I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline. This is in the Fit Me. This is in Sable. This is my to die for concealer. Like, this is my go-to concealer every time. It doesn't crease up, which is what I like. Doesn't give me any flashbacks of like being super white under. But y'all, like, I love it. Like, it covers and it's super lightweight. But if you guys are looking for a good drugstore foundation and concealer, those two are a really good one. I really want to try Tarte. I've been seeing everyone been using that one lately, and I really want to try that one out. But you guys, I am doing my giveaway at 350 subscribers. We're almost there, you guys. Almost there. Because in my next video, I'll pretty much announce, like, you guys tell me what products you guys want to be entering the giveaway, like you guys' favorite palettes, anything like that. Definitely comment on my next video that I'll be posting what products, so that way I can go ahead and start planning to get those things for our giveaway. So definitely tell your friends, your family, tell them all to subscribe. So once I got that nicely blended in, I'm gonna go in with my Covergirl. This is in the 105. This one is translucent, so I won't leave that white finishing. Take my sponge. I was gonna use this brush, y'all, but I'm actually gonna use the sponge today. Pause. Yeah, no, keep going. I was gonna do a cream contour, but I was like, no, it's okay. I want it to be a little bit more on the natural side today, so I won't do them like that. Yeah, I might as well use the other brush. But I'm just gonna put this all over my face just to set it. Just one in the crease of my nose. Alright y'all, so now that I've pretty much set my whole face, I'm now going to be going in with my NYX No Filter Pressed Powder. This one's going to be in the Classic Tan. Right here, I'm just going to take my powder brush, if I can find it. and just begin blending this in. That's just gonna help me get a little bit more color. Once I have this nicely blended in, I'm now going to go in with my NYX No Filter again. This one is still a pressed powder, but I like to go in with my deep golden to give me a contour. I like to use this one first just to golden me up and also give me that natural contour so it's not so like chocolatey dark. And then I would go in with my NYX Duo, and this shade is in the Wine and Dine. It comes with a blush to end contour, but I definitely like to put this on last. And when I put this on, I only like to focus on the just pretty much like bordering my, I guess sculpting my face a little bit more deeper. But I definitely like to go in with this one. So I'm definitely taking an angled brush and I'm gonna go ahead and start. Squeeze them lips in, girl. Alright, so now for highlighting, I'm gonna go in with my Revolution. This is in the Skin Kiss, and it is Peach Kiss. It's the Skin Kiss highlighter, y'all. And y'all, I actually liked it. This kind of reminds me of Mimosa. It's just not super opaque like Mimosa in my Anastasia. So I'm gonna find some. I'm actually gonna try Becca's highlighter. But I'm just gonna start on this side, and I'm just going to dust a little right here because I'm still gonna go in my Anastasia. Alright, y'all, so now that I'm done, I'm now going to go ahead and put my lashes on. You guys, the lashes that I got, I ordered it from that Wish app. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that app, but I pretty much just order, like, they have a lot of tons of stuff like makeup and all that little things. But so I bought me some lashes to show you guys how to apply them. So I'm actually going to take some tweezers, and you're gonna also need some scissors just to kind of trim the brows down to your shape of your lids. Okay, then I'm going to take my Duo. This is my adhesive. Most people like to use the black glue. You can use, well, most people use the black hair glue. I don't. I use this one. The clear band will adhere and it will dry, so it's not like it's gonna be white on your lashes. So while I'm letting my glue dry, I normally let it dry for maybe about 20-30 seconds. You can pretty much tell when the clear band starts to change colors, like not even color but very tacky. That's gonna be the best time to apply them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my mascara on, and this is the Stila Huge Extreme Lashes. Y'all, this kind of reminds me of Better Than Sex, so I'm actually gonna look for another mascara to test out. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply. I'm just going to place it, and I'm going to take my tweezers and put them as close as I can to my lash line. So you kind of want to look down at an angle before applying. You don't want to apply them with your eyes closed because you're not going to get it's not going to feel right. So you kind of want to have them half open, looking down, just enough where you can place them easily on your lash line. Yeah, these are going to be my first impression of these lashes because I've never tried them before. And if I don't like them, I'm taking them out. But y'all, Wine Fine version here. I know I did a review on her mink lashes. Those are honestly my favorite lashes. Like, seriously, that and Ardell. So now you just want to kind of, the glue is still a little wet. It's not going to adhere easy. So just give it some time to dry. They're actually not that bad, y'all. The only thing bad I can say about these lashes is that the band on the lashes is actually really thick, which makes it a little harder to apply. Alright y'all, sorry about that. My camera had died, but I did go ahead and apply the lashes. So now I'm going to put just a little bit up under my waterline. And I'm going to be using the Flower Beauty. This is the Glossy Gel Liner in Galaxy. This is my first time trying. Got it from my influencer box. So, I tried it in my last video. Let me take that back. So I'm going to go ahead and lightly just put a little bit. I don't want to be like super dark up under here. I do like how smooth this goes on. I promise y'all, this stuff always tickles my eye. Every time. Alrighty, so that completes that look. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lips now. This is in the NYX, and this color is in Red Tape. Oh, I'm running out, y'all. I'm just gonna outline my lip. I'm gonna show y'all a trick. Once I've gotten that, I'm going to take my chapstick. This is a trick. You can use any lip balm that you normally use. Get your chapstick. Apply it to your lips. And rub it in, and I get this nice soft reddish pink look. My next video, I will show you guys how to do a wing liner, which is another requested video. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below and also subscribe. Don't forget to tell your friends and family the same. I thank you guys so much for all the support. Welcome to 2018, y'all. This is our year. So I love you guys and I thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.